Hey everybody, I'm MEMITE. I am MEMA's information robot. Today we're discussing flash flooding. Flash flooding is most often due to extremely heavy rainfall from thunderstorms. If a flood or flash flood warning is issued, make sure you know your neighborhood and surrounding roads. If they are low, avoid them and go to higher ground. Sometimes if a flood warning is issued, people will need to evacuate to stay safe and out of rising waters. Did you know it only takes 6 inches of water to knock over or carry away a grown adult? And 12 inches of fast-moving water can carry away a car. Always remember to turn around, don't drown. Stay safe, Mississippi.